Alright, so we got our ingredients laid out here, bringing our scallops and shrimp together. And we'll get ready to get this up all nice and started up. This is a very important step, and you want to make sure that you get as much moisture out of these scallops as possible. While your shrimp, chilling over here waiting to take the tails off, because you know, take the tails off your shrimp. Let this sit on this paper towel for a minute and absorb, and take another paper towel and pat the tops dry. So we've got our shrimp with the tails off, and we are ready to season our shrimp. We've got our New Orleans Cajun seasoning, our smoked paprika, that old-fashioned Old Bay. Almost forgot about our garlic powder. We're also going to provide a little acidity to our shrimp with some lemon juice. Little Old Bay. Remember, there's no exact measurements, you just shake until the spirit tells you to stop. Now we've got our bacon in the infamous red Dutch oven. If you don't have one, y'all, invest, I'm telling you. But we'll go ahead and render this bacon up nice and crispy, and then we'll move on to our shrimp. We've got our shrimp in our bacon renderings now. We're going to deglaze our pan, let them cook and become nice and pink. That's when you know that shrimp are done. We've got our scallops into our renderings. About 2 minutes aside there, get them nice and medium with a nice crust char on both sides while our shrimp are resting nicely. We've got a nice beautiful seasoning on these scallops, pinning them onto the crusty bits of goodness there, rendering onto this Dutch oven. It is Dutch oven after all. It will deglaze itself with the natural juices that we put in this dish. Over here we've got our water coming up to a boil, getting ready for our grits. So we're going to use a little Pinot Grigio here to deglaze the pan and to form our sauce, and we're going to add in our lemon juice. I've added my seafood and bacon back into our wine sauce there just to kind of help everything thicken up and come together, and this is going to be the bomb. So we've got our water boiling here. It's been salted with just 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and I've got our full cup of our 5-minute grits from Quaker. Gotta love it. We're going to pour into our boil. And we're going to grab our whisk. Alright, now we're going to let that rest for just a moment, and we're going to lower our heat. I'm going to lower it down to low actually. Now we're just going to gently fold these in. That's about the right consistency you're looking for. You want it thick, you don't want runny grits. No one should ever want runny grits. I'm going to add in a sharp cheddar cheese at this point of the juncture. Well, actually. And there you have it, everybody. There's my take on seafood and grits. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the links down below. We'll catch you next time on Kevi's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.